will see what is that. So for example, if you want to create primary cost element, you can use the transaction code either KH01. Here you can see in this corner.
K0, okay.
Okay, otherwise what you can do is that you can go to FS00. Okay. In the FS00, for example, okay, discounts, okay, I don't want. So I'm going to create new cost elements, so a new GL account. Okay, that GL account is expenditure account. For example, salaries. Okay, so after entering the required values, you have the option to select edit cost element here, right? Here you can see, right, where I keep the cursor.
Edit the last window. Okay.
Yes, click on that. Yes, just click on that. When it is asking to save, yes, save. Then directly system will take you to KH01. You can see the screen here.
Yes.
Okay. Now give the validity period 01/01/2013. Just press enter. It has copied the description also, salaries automatically. Okay. Now here in the category, we have various categories. Category 1, 11, 12, and 22. These 3 and 4 we don't require. Okay.
Revenue, sales, deduction.
Okay. So first category 1 is all your expenditure accounts will be created as cost element with reference to category 1. Any expenditure account. Okay, will be created at cost or cost reduction revenues. Okay, category 1. Okay, in case, for example, if you have sales revenues, in the revenue side you have sales revenues, interest received, other things, right? Commission received, like that. For example, if any GL account nature is income, okay, income, that GL account, if the GL account nature is income side, on the income side.
Sales revenue, okay.
Revenue side, then you have to create, when you are creating a cost element for that GL account, you have to create with reference to 11. Okay, next is 12. What is 12? For example, you are paying a commission to the sales guy. For example, sales representatives will be there. Now, based on the sales performance, we will pay him the sales commission, right?
Yes, yes, exactly.
No, that sales commission will be that sales commission account will create as a revenue account, but we will say it is a a deduction.
Okay.
Okay, then we have, when you are creating a cost element, primary cost element, you have to create with a reference to 12.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So next last category is 22. 22 is, for example, when you are transferring the cost from cost center to GL account or internal order to GL account, so you need to use this cost element category 22.
22.
Okay. When you are transferring the cost from cost center or internal order to GL account, okay, that time you have to use 22. That I will show you. Okay. Now we are going to create with 1. Just press enter and save it. Okay, next I'll give. So next I am going to create, for example, the electricity. Now I want to create cost element. Press enter. Category 1. Save it. Okay, we have created canteen, electricity, okay, rent. Okay, I have created four cost elements, okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now if you want to group them under one group, you can select, you can create a cost element, create cost element group. Go to create cost element group, click there. For example, IRAQ is the main group name. Okay. Cost element group for IRAQ. Select. For example, if you want to create one more group below to that, say keep the cursor here, click on the lower level, so that you can create one more group. For example, this is for expenses.
Okay.
For example, again at this level, I want one more group for revenues. Click the cursor, keep the cursor here, and click on the same level. So then you can say revenues.
Okay.
Okay. So I have created two different groups. Now I want to under expenses, I want to assign the cost elements. Okay.
Okay.
Then keep the cursor and click on the cost elements. Now you can say 4 5 0 0 1 2 4 5 0 0 4. You have assigned you have created 4. So now that 4 will come here automatically. So now I have grouped all these under expenses. If I have any revenues, I need to assign them under revenues.
Revenues, okay. This is expenses, canteen.
Yes. During reporting, it will be useful for you.
Yes.
Okay, that is what the cost element accounting. This secondary cost element I will explain you during the cost center accounting. Okay. For example, if you want to create them automatically, you can create all your expense GL accounts automatically into cost elements. I will show you how. For example, go to the automatic creation of we have a menu automatic creation of primary and secondary cost element. For example, here we need to do three things. One is to make default settings. Click there. It will ask for chart of accounts. Press enter. Okay. In the new entries, you need to select from where to where you want to create GL accounts automatically. Okay. For example, this revenue accounts and interest accounts I want to convert into cost elements. Okay, automatically.
Okay.
Instead of creating them manually, I have already created the GL accounts. Now I want to create them. For example, if you have a bulk number of GL accounts, for example, you assume that you have 1,000 revenue accounts. Creating one by one is impossible, right? As a cost element. Not impossible. It is. It will be a huge task. It will take a lot of time. So instead, we can create automatically. How to do it? For example, I am going to do it. from 3 lakh. In this account I want to create, okay, from 3 lakh to 3 lakh it is the revenue account. See, from 3 lakh to 3 lakh 9 there are, sales revenue account. Sales revenue accounts is revenue account. I said we need to use the category 11.
Yes, very well.
Okay. For example, if you see there are other 2 GL accounts. This 10 and 19 and 119 and interest received.
Yes.
Discount received. Okay. So these are also under the same category. It is also income only, right?
Yes.
So instead of having separate section, we can maintain here only. So now I assign the category 11. Okay, just press enter. Just press enter, save it. The GL accounts which I want to convert, I gave the GL accounts and I gave the category. With which category I want to create the GL accounts as a cost elements. Okay. Now save it. Come back. Now we have to create the batch input session. So click on that batch input session. Okay, here it will ask you from which date it should be valid. Yeah, that the cost element should be valid from 1/1/2013 to 31/12/999. And session name is username, or if you want to give any session name, you can give. For example, Iraq, IRAQ, cost elements. Okay, this is the session name.
Okay. Session.
Okay, then click on the execute button. So now it is telling it has created the session. Now go back, select execute batch input session. Once you come, you can see this is what the session name which you give, Iraq CE. Okay, just select that one. Select, click on the process button. Select display errors only, or otherwise select process foreground. For example, if you select process foreground, system will show you like KA01 transaction. However, we have created manually, the transaction system will show you. Just for example, I will just select the process. See, what is this transaction code? This transaction code is KA01. You can see here in the corner, KA01.
Yes.
System will call automatically the KA01 transaction. Just press enter. See, now it has copied sales revenue description and category 11 which we gave in the selection. 11 has come right here.
Yes.
And the sales revenue description also has come, but if you want to change, you can change it. Press enter. Next GL account will come. It is cash sales. Just press enter. Cash discount received, interest received. Now this is done. So exit batch input session. Now if you go to KA23 transaction code to see the list of cost elements. So you can see this 3 lakh to 3 lakh 19 system has created cost elements category 11 automatically. The salary, electricity, canteen I have created manually through KA01 transaction from FS00. Whereas this revenue account system has created automatically through configuration. Okay, if I want to assign this 4 under revenue group, okay, now the transaction code is /N KA/N KA H2. We have created cost element group, right? Under that group we have expenses and revenues. So under revenues, now I want to assign the GL accounts. Just click on that and press enter. Now this will be assigned under revenues. You can see there is a set of GL accounts under expenditure and revenues as well.
Okay.
Okay. If you want to create automatically, this is the process. You have to perform 3 steps. Okay. This is cost element accounting. Very simple. Okay. Secondary cost element I will explain you during cost center accounting. Okay. If you get, can we continue?
No, now it's 7:10, almost 5 minutes ago. We will get to work.
Okay. Tomorrow we will discuss about the cost center accounting. Okay. This in cost center accounting we need to spend some time. Cost center and internal order, because these two are very important for you as a beginner.
I see. Cost center.
If you know these things, it will be very good. With the FI combination, you have to know these 3 components. These 3 components: internal order, cost center, and cost element accounting.
Okay.
So if you go to any interview, people will ask about FI and these 3 components. Okay. So tomorrow we talk about the cost center accounting and the internal order accounting, and then we can end our sessions. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. See you tomorrow.
Okay. Tomorrow. Okay. Same time. Okay.
Same time. We will try to, not try to. I think we can finish by 20th as you expected. Okay.
Okay.
2 sessions it will take. 3 sessions it will take for cost center accounting.
Just 3 sessions?
Yes.
Okay.
One day we will define about the cost center masters, grouping, everything. Okay. Then we will perform the planning in the cost center accounting. One day we will maintain the allocations, how the allocations will be done from between the cost centers.
Okay, sir.
For example, if I have incurred the salaries, salaries I have created one cost center, okay? So from this cost center, for example, I am paying salaries to canteen cooker, the guy who is cooking the food, I am paying salary to him also, right?
Okay.
The proportionate salary from the salaries cost center, I have to transfer to canteen cost center. How to transfer it?
I see.
This kind of allocations we will discuss in the other session. Okay. And third session we will book the actual expenditure. We will see the comparison between plan and actual.
Okay.
Then another 2-3 sessions we have to work on the same logic will apply to internal order accounting. We will book the budget. We will activate the availability control. We will book the plan from the purchase order. Okay. We will see how to book the expenditure manually as well as from the purchase order. We have created purchase order, right?
Yes.
In the purchase order, we will maintain the internal order as an account assignment, and we will book we will do the goods receipt, so that system will utilize the budget from the internal order. Okay. Okay. See you tomorrow.
So tomorrow, see you tomorrow.
Okay. Bye.
This week we will continue. When we can, by 20th you can finish it, huh? You said?
Not by 20th we can try. Maybe it can be extended till 22nd.
Okay.
If at all, if it is internal order accounting, if it is taking bit time, it may extend another 1 session or 2 sessions.
I see. No, you're busy in the office or something? Next week you're busy?
No problem. From here after we can continue this.
Okay.
There is no disturbance in between the classes.
No, your office, sometimes you have office work also.
Now I have to go office.
Okay. Next week, all the time busy in the office or?
No. We can have the classes.
Classes, you can have it. Okay.
No. We are not going to stop any classes hereafter. We are going to have continuously.
Okay.
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 By 20th, I will try to push it. If at all, if it is taking time, then we can finish it by Friday.
Okay, no, sir. Okay, no problem.
22nd. Okay.
26. Okay, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
After that, you just try to practice a lot. Okay, and
Yes, yes.
10 days once or weekly once, you just come back with the doubts.
Yes, 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 sure, sure. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay,
Bye.
sir. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.
See you. Bye.
Bye-bye.